and welcome back to my channel. So excited about today's video. These beautiful, beautiful box braids using some hair from Bobbi Boss. This video is sponsored by Bobbi Boss. I will leave the link in the description box where you can purchase this hair because definitely you want this. You want to order multiple packs of this because this hair, she is giving it. So this is the French Curl Layers box braids. So it has a multi-layered finish, comes in 24 inches, 21 inches, and 18 inches pre-looped. It is available in the colors 1, 1B, 2, 27, 30, 350, 4, T1B 27, T1B 30, T1B burgundy, T4 30. So all the colors is available. This is the color 1B. I am completely obsessed. So you will need 46 packs of this hair depending on your head size and depending on how full you want it. But let me lower this camera. These layers, everything. I am absolutely obsessed with these braids. And you cannot tell me these are not individuals. These are crochet. Now we know that I am a crochet girly, but I never wear the hair the standard crochet way. I always either braid or twist my hair with the crochet hair, but this time I actually did a crochet style the original way. So this, I did use the illusion method. So this is for the girlies that don't know how to French braid or even plait for that matter, because I did twist. No rubber bands. I parted my hair, pre-sectioned it, parted it in small boxes, twisted the hair in that one box, parted the next box, and just combined that twist, and I just twisted all the way down. So I did that in the front of half of my hair, the back half. I just did about 5 or 6 French braids and then just crocheted in, and the install was super quick. The hair is super beautiful. Let's get right into this tutorial. you guys, I'm completely obsessed. Like, look at these braids. Look at the curl and the layers. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? Thank you so much, Bobbi Boss, for sponsoring this video and sending me this amazing hair to try out. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Let me know in the comment section what color I should try next, because I'm definitely going to get more of this beautiful hair. And also stay tuned for an update. I'll let you know how this hair holds up. But my first impressions, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.